nestled in the lap of the famed Jebel Ali Free Zone in Dubai. Camtech. Camtech represents UAE's first manufacturing plant of carbon, stainless, and alloy steel valves. Camtech produces a wide variety of quality valves, namely gate, globe, swing check, ball, and butterfly, ranging from 2 to 56 inches in size. The logistical advantages of its location in Jebel Ali has further helped Camtech tap the state-of-the-art facilities and synergies offered by the Free Zone. The strategic proximity enjoyed by Jebel Ali Free Zone to the oil fields and the industrial belts of the Middle East has greatly enhanced Camtech's ability to be in tune with the exacting standards and needs of its vast clientele. The growing demand for high-quality valve systems in the precision-addicted petroleum, gas, petrochemical, marine, chemical, power generation, pharmaceutical, fertilizer, water, sewage, and other process industries has made Camtech a byword for reliability and quality. Camtech's stringent standards do not give room for failure. All this is backed by strict compliance with the uncompromising standards set by the American Petroleum Institute and the International Organization for Standardization, ISO 9001. Camtech, ever since its inception, has set very high standards for itself and carved out a unique niche in the valve industry. This excellence in design has been achieved by pursuing a relentless path of self-appraisal through workshops and conferences held regularly within its plant's excellent conference facilities. This constant interaction between Camtech's engineers, design staff, plant floor technicians, and labor, combined with the feedback received from the end users, has enabled Camtech to perfect their products, which are now ranked among the best in the field. Camtech's engineers and technical staff constantly assist the plant floor technicians in prototype testing, and this first-hand feedback is translated into design innovations. Camtech's research and design team uses state-of-the-art technologies and design software in perfecting and fine-tuning each product to meet the consumer's specific demands. The Computer-Aided Design Center at Camtech is renowned for its excellence. Each batch of the forged or cast carbon, stainless, and alloy steel body casings, balls, stems, and other parts are minutely tested to ensure that they meet with Camtech's self-imposed high-quality standards. It is thereafter that they commence their metamorphosis from raw materials into impeccably finished products at the end of Camtech's fully automated assembly line that incorporates the cutting-edge international technology in machining, assembly, and finishing. Camtech. At Camtech, excellence has been a sacred commitment. The extreme operating conditions faced by its products in terms of pressure, temperature, and the varied nature of the chemicals they handle calls for a zero-failure design concept. Murphy's Law states that if something can go wrong, it will definitely go wrong. Hence, though Camtech's design and quality assurance programs have achieved the zero-defect, zero-failure design ideal, its engineers and staff refuse to rest on their laurels and relentlessly continue in their quest for constant innovation and improvement in product design. The plant at Camtech in itself is unique. The centrally air-conditioned plant ensures that the men and machines on Camtech's plant floor operate in a cool and relatively dust-free environment that both enhances the output per man-day of every staff, as well as increases the efficiency and productivity of each of the sophisticated machines. The advanced computerized numerically controlled CNC horizontal machining centers, horizontal borer, horizontal lathe, vertical lathe, etc. receives the forged or cast metal parts, which are then cut, milled, drilled, tapped, bored, and threaded to exact pre-programmed specifications. The robotic arm within the machine automatically selects the necessary tools from a high-quality arsenal of tools stored in the machine's 120-bit magazine, depending on the type of work that the machine is called upon to perform. The metal component, which is mounted within the machine, is thereafter automatically subjected to all the tasks entrusted. As an enormous amount of heat is generated during the process, a jet of coolant solution is constantly and automatically sprayed onto the component all through the procedure. This ensures that the part undergoing the processing, the tool bit performing the operation, and the fixture are all kept cool, whilst the metal chips and other waste generated are also constantly washed away. At Camtech, the battery of CNC machines work round the clock under the loving care of their operators. Camtech. The valve's metal seals, balls, and other precision-oriented parts are finished and polished using specialized lapping machines. These lapping machines ensure that polishing is done to the finest degree. Camtech's Quality Control Department conducts complete inspection during each and every stage of the manufacturing process. After the various components of the valves are perfected by the array of sophisticated machines on Camtech's plant floor, they are assembled into individual valve units and put through a rigorous testing procedure. Pressure testing is carried out on each and every valve unit by subjecting them to pressures ranging from 80 to 10,000 pounds per square inch. Every single valve is tested with 1.5 times the pressure prescribed for each specific class. One valve unit is chosen at random from each batch and subjected to the advanced helium leak detector test to ensure total safety and protection from valve failure due to leakage. Thereafter, the valves are shot or sandblasted prior to painting. Camtech's valves are painted using high-quality, all-weather paints to ensure that they withstand corrosive elements and the ravages of time. At this stage, Camtech's Quality Control Department examines each individual valve unit and carries out the painting quality test using an ultrasonic meter, which is used for measuring the dry film thickness of the paint. Camtech is one of the only plants in the GCC which is equipped to carry out the fire safety test, if so required, by its discerning clientele. This test is conducted as per American Petroleum Institute's API 607 standards. The main objective of fire testing is to evaluate the leakage performance of a valve when subjected to a temperature of 750 degrees centigrade, which simulates a refinery fire within the first 30 minutes. Each and every valve in Camtech is carefully and lovingly packed so as to ensure that the voyage they undertake do not affect their factory finish quality. The philosophy of Camtech is that of offering a high-quality one-stop shop for valves and fluid control systems to meet the needs of all its clients is an unswerving commitment at Camtech. Camtech valves, engineered to perfection, designed to perform, each time, every time.